Here we have a Peugeot 106 that we're going to service in a small way, like change the wheels, also look at the engine, check out the interior, so you can tell the Peugeot, and it hasn't really been muddied that much, but basically you can see that the car can be worked on. So if you take a look, you see the car's ready. And if you're driving it, you need to know the engine a little, put oil, water, etc. Check the points like battery, terminal. Also, you need to know how to change the fuses for the electric. And basically, when this car is rolling with its new wheels on, not that wide, 15 inches, they'll have better handling. The way you can tell, insurance may rock it at the same time. But if you are going to change the wheels, like you need to do it in the winter and in the summer, then you need to get a jack up the car, loosen the knot before you jack it off, and when you jack it off, one wheel at a time. Take one wheel off, as long as the car's sturdy, then put the other wheel on. Make sure you got the right size and that the car can have or handle the wheels that you tend to attack. In this case, this is a 3-stud. It's 15 inches going to replace the old standard wheel. Disc brake, and so if you get accustomed to the car, you'll know what you need to do to it, such as when you need to change the brake. But basically, once you've jacked it up and you put the wheel on, you jack it down once you tighten it up,